What's shaking, guys? BigLogan, Mountaineer Van Works. So we've got Project Molle here in our final build series episode, final push part 2. She is 100% done behind me here and ready to get picked up tomorrow. Today's Monday. So we've got our graphics, as you can see, installed. Give you a quick overview of that. Our Project Molle decals that the buyer custom picked out. We got our mattress in. We've got airbags on from our local mechanic shop to give her a nice boost in the rear. Great ride stability, professional level detail, all those things in this episode to bring van conversion to a close. So after almost 5 years and 30 conversions under my belt, I wanted to bring you guys along into a more day of the life of a van builder, what I do to get a van from start to finish. And we did this in 11 episodes on this build series. So the next video after this is the tour video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Let's get it going. BigLogan channel. Good morning, y'all, and welcome back. We've got our beauty here. Oh my gosh. I just opened the doors up, turned the lights on in the shop. You guys got to see the sunrise out here this morning. It is a beautiful day, spring morning. Unlock my deadbolt here. We get these good sunrises right here a lot of mornings. Oh yeah. There's our next transit for my Charlotte, North Carolina buyer. And I've got Olive, another local build coming back to get an upgrade when Project Molle's done. We're gonna put a vent fan up on top of this unit. So I got a little side job after I get this next van out. But yeah, a little nippy this morning, but just wanted to capture that in the build series. So today we are starting on the bed. And I say start on the bed, I keep it real simple. I don't overcomplicate the bed. This is the non-moving, like our convertible kings. This is a stationary king bed, mattress platform. The only reason if I wouldn't get that done today is Mr. Lundy with Studio 35 is coming in, and we're going to, or not we, I might help him, add Topo graphics to the bottom. And we're also surprising Mr. Sean, the buyer, with a Topo on the hood from his hometown where he grew up. So Lundy's taking the property of the buyer, their farm, and putting that on the lower Topo. He pulled those topographic details, and then the hood from the hometown of the buyer. So pretty cool. So I'm gonna start on the bed, see how far I can get along, but once Lundy gets here to get to that hood, this van is crammed in this shop right now. I'm gonna have to back her up, close the doors down, then I can't work on the bed anymore. So I'm gonna try and work on the bed and jam a little bit this morning, and then support Mr. Lundy in any way I can. He does awesome work, and I'm so glad the buyers wanted to team up with him. It's really gonna make this exterior pop. So yeah, let's get going. Let's get to work. Woo! Lundy with Studio 35's here. There's our Project Molle graphics that are going to go up on the top quarter, and our Topo's starting to go down. Lundy's making it happen. It's looking great. Oh yeah. All the way down. I'm working on our last piece. So our bed's in. Let me show you that frame. Got our storage lights all fired up now. There's our plumbing bay and storage, garage, and again our power bay. Now that it's all closed in, a nice warm light. Oh, got a little piece of dust there. Looking good. That's all right here with one switch. So now I've got some braces set up as I am bringing that headboard to maximize our mattress. This is a king bed at 6'4" in length, trimmed a little bit to length and width as we always do. We still call it a king. So this is prepping now for our headboard. Oh man, it's looking great. So the headboard, again, we already did 2 coats of stain on that in the last episode. Lundy's got me my Mountaineer Van Works graphic, and I'm gonna try and place it as square as I can. He printed me extra just in case I mess up, as I have messed those up in the future. So measure, 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 let it go. All right, we're gonna get back to showing you guys some Lundy getting this wrap down. That's a wrap. All right, how to do? What do you guys think? Check this out. First side is done. Lundy has moved on to the other side. Then the hood is next. Oh yeah. Another round. Me and my friend Lundy here. Onto the hood. It's looking good. Might have to jump in, put 2 hands on it, make the wrap a success. Let's do it. Lundy's sipping on his coffee. He said, check it out, Logan. Oh, man. He wanted me to check out the vent lines here. Oh, man. That's perfection. Lundy, looks great, man. Wow. Once we get her outside, we can really get a good look at the hole. Man, oh man, that is mean. So that's that, and time to name her. There's Molle going up. All right, Lundy, do your thing. Slap it on there. Cool, let's get her on. Wow. What a transformation. Wow. I'm getting all dolled up today. Last piece going up. Guys, next step for this is interior detail, airbags, and exterior detail. So we'll check back in with you. Peace. All right, so we got Kelsey's vent fan in. I do like that unit. Got that done yesterday. And this old girl's going to get her airbags put on. So I'm gonna drive this over just like a quarter mile up the road. Right across the street is a really great tire and mechanic shop. They're gonna do the bags for me. I could do them here, but those guys are set up for it. They got all the tools, the mechanics are ready to roll, and we're just gonna have them do it and do it right. Check back in when we get some bags. Oh, hey guys. Thanks, Brandon. We just got the girl back. There's Detail Dave. Dave, say hi to everybody on the BigLogan channel. What's up? Detail Dave's working after hours. Molly has her bag kit on. They ran into an issue with a factory defect. Had to go up there and check on her a couple times, but that is how she sits now. It's looking so much better. The sun is up. Afternoon setting, beautiful day. Dave Beam's a world-renowned banjo player, bluegrass, and also one heck of a detailer. So as a great friend, he's gonna come give Molly some TLC, get all that sawdust, all that shop crud off, and get her cleaned up. Super pleased with everything. The colors of the vinyl wrap outside in natural light, dead nuts. Thank you, Lundy, Studio 35 Graphics. It's been a big coordination, a great project. Let's put some suds on her, get her cleaned up. Oh, hi, Brandon.
Hi, logo.
Let's show them the logo real quick. Now your van works. Doing what you do best, leaning against something, drinking a beer. Man, oh man. What did you just help me on? Sanding the butcher block for the kitchen galley countertop and
holding lights, you name it.
Yep, holding the lights.
That's all I get done.
She's looking good. So this is another thing. I don't ever really get to see the vans outside, or like taking it to the mechanic shop's kind of new, like ferrying something that's finished. After living and breathing in this thing in the shop, it's a process that is kind of emotional, or I don't know if it's like a low level anxiety or something, but it's just like, it's a different phase when it comes to an end. There's a lot of things that happen all at once to wrap it up, and it's just a different pace that you don't do those a lot, like spend 4 or 5 weeks doing cabinetry in the van or even more, but then in one day you're airbags detailing, the next day you're filming, and it's just it moves really fast at the end once you get everything wrapped up. So squeezing the lemon, really capturing this. Time to put some water to her, also see if anything leaks right now. So that's what's going through my mind. We do a great job, we do better and better every build. He's about to hit it with high pressure water and hoping that all our seals, all our urethane, all our bonding, the roof penetrations, all the holes we cut in this van are gonna hold true, because right now it's the true telltale with some high pressure water. So that's what goes through my mind, but it's all gonna be good. Goose faba, just pinch your earlobes and relax. It's but it never gets old. This part of the process to wrap up, get her cleaned up, get her shined up for the buyer. Never really can I not be stressed out about this part. So let's go. All right, I'm done talking. Duke's got us a mattress. Winning. She's She's in the van now. Let's see what she thinks. What do you think, Mama Dukes?
Oh, hi.
Could you live in this?
Yes,
Oh.
this is beautiful.
Hey, Brother Doug.
Hey.
Hey, Brother Doug. Time for a tour video. Mom brought a pillow to stage. Oh, she's checking out the fridge now.
Beautiful. I don't want to break anything.
Mom came all the way
it
up from North
lights
Carolina.
up. This lights up. when
Yeah.
you- That's great.
Both of them.
And I love the toe light down
Yeah,
there.
ambient toe kick. There's little dog
that.
kennels for Rambo and
Yeah.
Sarge. Little mesh doors.
I didn't realize they were so tiny.
Yeah, they're little guys. Little guys. Now Mom's gonna go visit Miles, Mr.
I
Miles.
love the hooks, the little details. Oh, look. You did that there, too.
Yeah, the logo. Yeah, pull it up.
Yeah.
Yep. Turned out great. Thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My pleasure.
So here's our
well,
mattress.
looky there. That's like a queen. The queen.
We will fight these wrinkles.
I have a little girl.
Get it right perfect. Take a picture of it. Awesome.
Awesome.
Mama Duke bags everything up. We started discovering this vacuum seal. You just use a shop vac. So she can roll this up and strap it to get it in her Honda car and bring it up from North Carolina. But so I coordinate with Mom on the custom mattress dimensions. Everyone's fits thus far. Mom is very detail oriented. Awesome seamstress. No upholstery for chairs in this build, but just a mattress. So no blackout curtain as well. This van's a looker. We just keep looking at it. Got her cleaned up now. Detail Dave. Studio 35 graphics with Lundy. Man, this project is coming to a close, guys. Next video you'll see is the tour. So let's just wrap it up here, okay? Project Molle. I'm tired. I'm beat. That was a push to the finish line. We're gonna wait for some more sunny skies before I get the drone up and do our final photo shoot and tour video. So that's next. Fires are coming Tuesday and it's Friday right now. So great way to close out the week. We get some R&R with the family, relax this weekend. See you guys on the next video. Peace.